am a big fan. Tell me about the show, though. If I'm a guy at home, never having heard of Legend of the Seeker, who are you and what is it?
Okay, Legend of the Seeker. The Seeker is me, a guy called Richard Cypher. And the first season is, it's 22 action-packed episodes of his journey from a boy to a man, a hero, exactly. And, but to get there, he needs the guidance of a, what's known as a confessor.
That's the part that I play.
Yeah.
Her name's
And-
Kaylin.
And a wizard.
And a wizard named Zed.
Yep.
So the finale, there was a baby involved? What?
Yes, I
Explain
know.
that. Where do we stand with the baby and what happens next season?
Well, that
You guys are
episode
in
was
love. Say that first.
crazy. That was a crazy episode. When that script came out, we were like, what is happening in this? Like, time travel, and I got to age 12 years. It was insane. But luckily, Richard saved the day once again, and we
course.
ended up going back in time, and all of that stuff ended up not actually really happening. But
Don't you love that we've got the type of show you can just go, do you want to go back in time this episode? Yes.
yeah, why not?
Why not?
Imagine. And but Richard does defeat the bad guy, which the prophecy said he would do. But
But,
in the second season, we learn that when we did that, there's now a tear in the underworld,
You
and we're
those
going to be
tears.
going into the underworld and dealing with all these like dead creatures and things are going to come out. So we think we'd save the day, but we're going to learn that there's a lot more things.
Where's your relationship going next season, in as much as it can go anywhere given the magical footnote?
Well, we've been told that there's going to be a rival for Richard's affections.
yeah.
That's what we've
Can you
been
believe
told.
that?
But I don't think she'll stand a chance.
Nah.
Is she allied with Dark and Rawl?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Or maybe not.
Yeah, we'll see where that goes.
Yeah, because the alliances, we don't know who's going to go with who in this season 2. I mean, now that Dark and Rail's gone, I mean, people are going to be starting to maybe look to Richard, you know what I mean? He's the guy who defeated him. So
The world we left the world completely turned upside down. You think that everything's going to be all right, but...
It's not that easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and there's a thing called Wizard's second rule, which is something like out of the best intentions, even the worst problems can arise, you know? Yeah, so we'll see.
So is this girl the new villain?
It's questionable. That's one of the cool things about the show, is that they've really been exploring the idea of,
Yeah.
like, it's not black or white. Like, we're the good guys, but we can do good things. We think that they're good, but now it's going to actually turn out that what we thought was the right thing to do was actually really, really bad. And now, like, there's bad guys who are doing things that are good, and it's gray, you know?